Nothing makes bonfire night easier than this collapsible, ever-advanced wagon. It holds everything we need: groceries, firewood, and even a s'mores kit without a single trip back to the car. And yes, our director's chairs fit perfectly too. Easy to pack, easy to carry, and even easier to set up once we're ready to relax. With everything in one wagon, setting up for family time takes minutes. Fires going, marshmallows roasting, and memories are being made. Ever Advanced makes family nights simple, cozy, and unforgettable.